today we're going to be making some clay. So first, what we're going to do, we're going to scoop up some dirt that has been kind of watered down. So this will be easier to have some clay. Then we got Lulu barking in the background. I think this will be some nice clay. Okay, I think maybe one more. Okay, there we go. So next what we're going to do is we're going to add water to this dirt right here and then get out all the rocks and gravel in it. So I have gloves on, and as you can see, if your dirt sticks together like this and then breaks apart, then it's perfect. Okay? So what we're going to do now is we're going to add some water to this mixture. Add some water. Fill it up to where it's filling above the dirt. Then turn off your water like that, and then just mix it. Just gotta mix it up. Just completely mix it.
And there's Lulu barking. Hey, Lulu!
Add water if needed. If it's becoming a little too thick, which is happening with me, you just need a little bit more water. Just like that. And just keep mixing and mixing. Kind of get some stuff up from the bottom. Just mix it and mix it.
And then we're gonna be pouring it into this bucket.
So then all of those rocks and stuff will be left behind. So just watch right here. Kind of start seeing all the rocks and residue left behind.
Oh, that's a lot. No, we're left with the good stuff.
Now that right here is a bunch of slush that we don't need, so let's pour this off.
What's the?
Yeah, that's all the kind of looks like concrete or something. But yeah, so that's all the stuff that we don't need. So right here, as you can see, this is all the nice clay that we want. So next we're gonna strain it, pouring it back into this bucket. So right now I'm cleaning out this bucket. So now I'm gonna pour out all the extra crap. See, look, there's still some stuff in there. So I still gotta. So now what we're gonna do is, you see how on the top of this there's a bunch of dirty stuff? So that's gonna strain out when we pour it. Hopefully it won't move. So you see how all that stuff got left out? That's not going to be in our clay. Let me just empty out all that stuff. Yeah. Well, now what we have to do is we have to let this sit out for about an hour or two. And so then the water is going to start separating to the top, and all the clay stuff is going to separate to the bottom. Then we're going to pour off the water and then try to form our clay. So let's wait 2.5 hours, or 2 hours, or 1 hour. We don't know. See ya. So now what you need to do, since all your water was separated and I already took all the water off the top end, threw it out.
Let it for an hour.
Now take a towel, double it up, put it over top of a bucket, kind of make an indent.
You might want to put it on the ground so I could see.
No, it's fine. Just like that, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to pour some of our clay water mixture. We're going to pour it in here, so then the water is going to seep through, but the clay is going to stay behind. Okay, so now what we're doing is we're tying this off so then it's dripping into the bucket. Or just drying off. So we just need it to dry. You can catch the water in the bucket if you want to, or not. Doesn't really matter. You just need to let it sit out for a little bit while it starts to dry off. Then you could just do a couple of knots and stuff, whatnot, just like that to keep it secure and in place. Now, I think I'll wrap it around one more time.
I think that's good.
So like that. Just like that. And we're in business. Just like that. So now we're going to wait for all of that moisture to start dripping out. And in about an hour, we're going to have some clay. Okay, so now all the clay is dried after kind of squeezing it and letting it dry off.
Wait, get that out of there so it's not sponsored.
Yep, no sponsorships. Okay, so look. So now, taking off all string.
I hope it's clay.
And as you
Bring it closer.
can see inside, that is some pretty nice clay. On the middle, it's kind of still watery, but on the outside here, it's some pretty good clay. Let me see if I can scrape it.
It's actually clay.
Yeah, that's clay. So now I put it down like that, kind of dry it off a bit. Push out all the water and stuff, just like that.
I think the clay is going to be stuck to the paper towel.
Nope. Right there is some clay. See right there, you just kind of gotta get a little more dried off, push out all the water. Right there is some clay. See that?
Can I feel some? Can I feel
Hold on, I gotta peel it all off. Just wait. Okay, so look, we've got some clay. There's still a lot left. Still a lot of more work that we need to be doing. And what we've been doing is scraping off some of it, putting it on a paper towel, pushing it down to get all of the moisture out of it, all the water. And then we take it off the paper towel, and then it's clay.